is Nico from CNC Koga Service Group. This is our new finished CNC bending machine. The model is 175 tons. The biggest processing length is 3,200 millimeters. The control system is DA53TX. It can control 6 axes. This is the electrical drawing. The electrical components. We use the Eastern safe model and the driver. This is the baggage part. We can see the stop finger can be controlled by the control system. It can move automatically. Welcome to send the inquiry to us. Thank you very much.